Magandang araw and welcome to another episode of the Diary of an Immigrant. I'm your host, Miss G, and today you're about to hear a story that will steer your heart and strengthen your faith. In this episode, we will listen to a letter from Lani, a 34-year-old single mom from Iloilo who once worked as a domestic helper in Hong Kong and now a care worker in the UK. Her journey is filled with sacrifice, perseverance, and deep faith. Kung isa ka sa mga taong nangangarap ng mas maganda para sa pamilya mo, lalo na bilang isang OFW or single parent, this story will speak straight to your heart. So relax lang, make some coffee, and let this letter remind you that nothing is impossible when we walk with God. Dear Miss G, magandang araw po, Miss G. Itago niyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Lani. Isa niyo po akong follower matagal na. I am 34-year-old mom from Iloilo. I used to watch your videos back when I was still in Hong Kong. Until now. In fact, isa po kayo sa nagbigay sa akin ng idea at lakas ng loob na mangarap ng mas higit pa. And this is my story. A few years ago, I took a job as a housemaid in Hong Kong. Akala ko noon wala akong ibang choice. This was the only way I could think of to give my 9-year-old daughter a better future. Mahirap man pero iniwan ko siya sa lola niya. Bit-bit ang mabigat na puso at pangarap na balang araw, mabibigyan ko rin siya ng mas magandang buhay. Pagdating ko sa Hong Kong, sunod-sunod ang trabaho. I cleaned, cook, serve, paulit-ulit, araw-araw. Pero deep down, I knew this wasn't the life I truly dreamed of. Although I was grateful naman na binigyan ako ni God ng trabaho sa Hong Kong at mabait naman ang amo ko, but I could hear a part of my heart whispering, "Anak, may higit pa dyan." I wanted more for me and my daughter, and I believe, alam ko sa puso ko, that God wanted what's best for us. Habang ang iba ay nag-iipon sa mga luho, para sa luho, ako ay nag-iipon ng pangarap. I saved so much as I could. During my days off, instead of going out with friends after church, I spent most of my time to research on how to work as a carer abroad. Pinag-aralan ko ang mga qualifications, requirements, at mga proseso. And every single day, sinasamahan ko ng dasal ang bawat plano ko. I prayed, "Lord, kung ito ang daan, ikaw na po ang mangunguna." Then one day, habang nagbabrowse ako sa Facebook, I came across a post about the UK Carer Visa from you, Miss G. Something about it gave me hope. Parang sinagot ni God ang panalangin ko. I kept digging, connecting with people, taking free online courses, and learning everything I could. Then came the breakthrough I never expected. I found an employer in the UK who believed me. Miss G, to this day, I still cry thinking about what happened next. They paid for everything, my IELTS, my flights, even my accommodation. It felt like a miracle unfolding before my eyes. I cried when I got the confirmation. Hindi ko akalain na ang dating kasambahay sa Hong Kong, ngayon ay isa ng care worker sa UK. I didn't get here through luck. I got here through faith, prayer, and obedience. Ngayon, I am now in a stable job and growing faith. Looking forward to become a UK resident and British passport holder one day. The culture is different, the weather is cold, and the work is demanding. But I will never give up because I know God didn't bring me this far to leave me. Every time I look at my daughter's photo, I remember why I'm here. At higit pa sa inaasahan ko, Miss G, God bless me with a partner here who shares the same beliefs and values. We're praying together for the future, excited to settle down and patiently waiting for God's perfect timing to bring my daughter here with us to finally build a complete and faith-filled family. To my fellow single mothers out there, huwag po kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Children are not a hindrance, they are a true blessing. Mahirap man sa simula, pero kung magtitiwala tayo sa plano ng Diyos, He will lead us to places we never imagined. Make God a part of every decision, every prayer, every dream. Never stop praying, never stop believing, never stop walking with God. Your breakthrough might just be one yes away, and just like me, you'll see God is faithful. With love and faith, Lani. Thank you for joining me in this episode of The Diary of an Immigrant. Lani's story is a beautiful reminder that God truly honors the desires of a surrendered heart. Ang kwento ni Lani ay patunay na may himala sa bawat panalangin at may katuparan ang bawat sakripisyo. Sa bawat single mom na patuloy na lumalaban para sa anak, at sa bawat OFW na may dalang pangarap, this is your reminder that in God, it's never too late. Keep praying, keep moving, and keep trusting God's timing. Until next time, keep walking with faith, and remember, you are never forgotten and your story matters. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.